Hi guys, yesterday was magnanimous. It was overwhelming the way all of you poured your hearts out. Blessed Tira in words, also by the donations you guys made yesterday. I felt so proud to have, these kind of people following me on social media platform, people who actually have a heart and not just a profile. So a big thank you, not just from Tira's parents' side, but from my side to come out and support this cause. Now, Karan and I got in touch with somebody who works very closely with Aditya Thackeray. We want to reach Aditya Thackeray directly so that, we can get the parents to meet him and they can talk it out with him in order to waive off the custom duty and the service tax, which amounts to 5.6 crores for the drug that Tira needs. That is something we're working on. Secondly, some of you brought to my notice is another child called Janish, or Janish Naveen. He also has a profile on Instagram. Now, problem ye hai that I think his parents are not too techno savvy. They're not too savvy with social media platforms. So आपको शायद उसका प्रोफाइल कभी दिखा भी नहीं होगा या उन्होंने आप तक अपील पहुंचाई भी नहीं होगी. But I'm glad मुझ तक ये अपील जल्दी पहुंच गई है. Janish is a 9-month-old baby suffering from SMA. He also needs the same gene therapy which costs 16 crores. His parents haven't been able to reach a lot of people and they really don't have the gift of words. So वो शायद इस बात को ढंग से अपील नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. But I think it's my duty as a human being. If I have the reach, I must use my reach in a proper way. So Janish Naveen की तरफ से मैं आप सबसे अपील कर रही हूँ. The way you've opened your hearts for Tira in a day's span, I've seen so many of you donating for Tira. Please Janish के लिए भी आप donate कीजिए. I'll put a swipe up story and I'll put his link, his donation Impact Guru link as well. And as much as possible, start making posts, tag Aditya Thackeray, tag the state government, tag the Prime Minister of this country, tweet about it. We need to make this very, very audible and heard to the government that इस तरह के जो बीमारियां हैं उनकी जो मेडिकेशन है या ट्रीटमेंट है अगर वो इतना एग्जॉर्बिटेंट है तो कम से कम उस पर कस्टम और सर्विस टैक्स ना लगाएं. Because इसका मतलब है you eventually want the child to just wither and die. You don't want them to get the treatment. अगर वो इंटेंशन होती तो इस तरह की चीज़ों से ये चीज़ें पहले ही वेव ऑफ कर दी गई होती, पर ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. So you and I have the strength, we have the power because we are the citizens of this country. We can make things happen. We can bring about changes. So let's do that. And I'm very proud of all of you. Thank you for giving me that confidence that Instagram can be used for good. Hence proof. No complaints. Thank you. And please support both these children and also support the cause that the government should and has to and must waive off the custom duty and service tax on the gene therapy that these two children need. Thank you guys. Hi everybody. I haven't been able to sleep properly for the past few days because I've recently come across this appeal which is doing rounds on social media regarding Tira Kamat. She's a 5-month-old baby. I don't know how it didn't reach me since November because the appeal is on since November. It just reached me a few days ago and I haven't been able to sleep. And I wanted to talk about it on a social media platform because some things need to be done, right? Tira Kamat is a 5-month-old baby who has this condition called SMA, spinal muscular atrophy. She needs a gene therapy, which is really expensive. It's 16 crores. The government will also charge custom duty and service tax of 5.6 crores on this drug which this baby needs in order to be alive, else she's not gonna make it. So through this video, I'm appealing to the government, to the state government, Uddhav Thackeray ji, Aditya Thackeray, for that matter, Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, to just please make this special consideration and waive off the service tax.
Apart from that, 16 crore में से these guys have managed to pull through around 80 to 85% of the money. Rest is still pending. So all I'm saying is I have 760k followers. आप सब अगर 100 रुपए भी डोनेट करेंगे तो इनका एम, इनका गोल पूरा हो जाएगा एंड तीरा कैन गेट द ड्रग दैट शी नीड्स टू सर्वाइव. So please open your hearts, be generous, just donate. Go to impactguru.com and please donate and save Tira. She is 5 months old. She has her entire life ahead of her. And every time I look at my daughter's face, I can't look at her face anymore after I've seen Tira. So I'm genuinely appealing to all of you. Please donate for Tira. For this one time in our lives, let's do something which is really worth it and just not sharing pictures of how sexy you look on Instagram, and do something which is worth. I have done my bit. I have donated as much as I could. I will donate more, and I'm just in talks with my team, with my brand. Whatever sales we'll be making, we're deciding to donate a part of it. The proceeds will go to Tira's treatment. That's something I'm doing on my part. So is Karan. I just request all of you to donate 100 rupees. That's all I'm saying. $100 each, and Tira's life. We can save Tira, right? She's 5 months old and she needs us. So let's do it, guys. Let's just do it. It's so small, but it's gonna make a difference in her life and her parents' life. So please do it.